Hey folks, here Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a Women's Day special video. And today we are going to talk about a special stock on this special occasion. There might be a lot of women who are watching this video and may have never invested in stock market, but always remember an amazing dialogue by Ranbir Kapoor, and he has said in ये जवानी है दीवानी दैट कहीं पे पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना बहुत जरूरी होता है. So many women are of this mindset that I love investing in areas wherein I get fixed returns, wherein my capital is guaranteed. But then, if you want to explore newer investment areas, then you have to take that extra step and try and visit into those unvisited areas. So, what could be a space, what could be a stock where the stock is not very volatile, it gives kind of consistent return? Is there any such stock available in the stock market? Well, this style of investing is called as a dividend investing strategy. Now, what do we mean by that? There are many stocks which are listed on the stock market which are famous because they give consistent dividend. Okay, now whenever a company wants to declare a dividend, is it the first question that pops up in our mind is it mandatory to give dividend? And answer is no. So if I'm talking about a company which is highly profitable, can the owners of the company say that even if we are profitable, we don't want to give dividend? Possibly yes. Okay. So whenever I'm discussing about this entire stock, always keep this in mind that yes, this is a good dividend. This is a stock which gives good dividend, but it is not mandatory that the company is going to give dividend every year. But then the big question is that how will I, as an investor, try and find out the names of the stocks which are giving high dividends? For that, of course, the website that I would want to show you would be screener.in. And there are different screens on screener.in. And I'm here on the highest dividend yield shares. This is again a ready-made screen available. So you can just go to screen and search for dividend. You will get the screen very easily. Now, what we are going to do in this list, you will see that based on highest dividend yield, I sorted this in a descending pattern, right? So the company which has given the highest dividend yield, 1,565%. Oh my god, that is Taparia Tools. But wait, market cap is only 3.35 crores. So this is like a small or a micro cap company, is what I can say. If you're investing in the stock market for the very first time, please avoid companies which are like penny stocks or small micro caps. Please try and avoid those. Okay. Second in line is REC, and REC has a 9.23% ka dividend yield, and the market cap is also 32,823, which is a decent enough market capitalization. Now, what do I mean by 9.23% dividend yield? Answer is very simple. If I were to invest 100 rupees in the stock, I would get a dividend of 9.23. That is a simple meaning of dividend yield. Okay. But what do we understand by 9.23? Does it mean that every single year this company pays a dividend of 9.23, or the dividend could be different every single year? So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you a money control website wherein you can in the corporate action tab. So what I've done, I've just searched REC in the search bar. I searched for REC, and I'm here in the corporate action section, wherein I can try and check out for how much dividend this company has given and when has it given, which years it has given dividend. So I'm just scrolling down and down and down, and you can see, just quickly read out with me. In 2008, has it given dividend? Yes. 2009, yes. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, kya baat hai, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and we are today is 8th March 2023, and the company has also announced a dividend in 2023. So does this fact tell us that yes, this is a dividend paying company? And not only that, it has also given a consistent dividend every single year. This company has given some sort of the dividend or other. But wait, now comes a very important point. Now, if this company has paid dividend, what will happen after you get dividend? So just to give you a simple example, right now as I shoot the video, the share price of REC is around 125 rupees. Okay. And if the company declares a dividend of 10 rupees, what happens after you get the dividend? This share price, new share price, after you get the dividend, will be called as the ex dividend price. Okay. Not actually, I'm not talking about getting transferred in your bank account. Once it goes X, it means that from 125 rupees, 10 rupees will be deducted, and the share will then start trading at 115 rupees. So be sure of, I mean, you should be aware of this fact that once you get the dividend, the share price is going to drop ideally theoretically by the same amount of the dividend. It could be a little bit plus minus based on the market conditions. Okay, so now what do I know? I know there is a company called REC. By the way, that's a government company. I also know that it's a dividend paying stock. I know that it has given dividend consistently. I know that it is one of the highest dividend yield giving companies. Can I jump and buy the stock right away? No. Ideally, you have to do a lot more in fundamental analysis and technical analysis as well. So if I were to do a technical analysis, so ideally there could be multiple time frames in which you could do a technical analysis. But if I'm talking about this stock, I'm not talking about this stock from like buy today, sell tomorrow, or intraday or something like that. So ideally, what would I want to do? I would want to do a technical analysis of this stock based on a monthly candlestick pattern. So if I were to just zoom in, you can see this was the level of the stock when in 2019, okay, somewhere around 122. Then it went down, again it came up, again it went down, and again it came up, and it is at this price almost. So as per technical analysis, it's visually also easily possible. I can see that one again went down, two again went down, three. So this might, even if the stock is fundamentally good, this might not be the right time to enter into this stock because it is currently at a resistance level. Okay, this is just for you to show how pivot points work. Now what could be the entry point? So entry point I want in the near future, so I would go back to the daily time frame. And what I can see visually also, this sound seems to be, see, one two three four, it has seen a nice solid support at this level. Even earlier this was acting as a resistance, earlier a resistance, now a support. And plus you can see, even if I were to delete this line, you can see pivot ke hisab se at S1 108 is the level for support 1. So is this a fundamentally strong stock? Again, yes, but currently I feel it is at a resistance point. I would not want to enter this stock at this level. I would wait till the stock reaches this level somewhere around 108 rupees. Now if you want to learn about this stock in absolute detail, is there any way to do so? And answer is why not? We have launched our pro investor membership. Those who have been following our channel regularly, they already know about this. We have discussed this stock, I think way back in 2020 we had discussed this stock somewhere around the month of October. At that time the price was around 90-95 rupees, and since then the stock has already given a dividend of almost 35-36 rupees. And if you calculate the dividend received plus the capital gains which we have gotten from this stock, both combined together, the return for this stock would have been around 68-70%. But does this guarantee that every single time I'm going to get that much amount of return? Answer is obviously no. Returns may vary, right? So if you want to enroll for our pro investor membership as something like it could be a women's day special investment, if you want to do, then it is absolutely possible. On YouTube you can see a join button, you can go and click there. Or else what I'm going to do, I'm going to quickly share my screen, and if you go onto our website, which is rachanaranade.com, in the tab section itself you'll see membership. If I click there, you will see that this is our pro investor membership. Here you will be able to get detailed analysis of almost 40 stocks, and every month I will be discussing one additional stock. You'll also be able to join an exclusive Zoom meeting with me, wherein very limited people are there in the Zoom meeting. That happens once in a quarter, and the Zoom meeting for this quarter is will happen before 31st March. So if you want an additional discount here, you can also use the coupon code FinQueen, because I hope everyone would want to become a finance queen. So with this I would want to conclude today's video, and I hope you got some value. I hope you will definitely consider investing in knowledge this Women's Day. If you did like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to share this video with all your women friends. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye bye.